Do you think you need a huge salary to grow your money? Not at all. Today we'll see how you can multiply your money even if you earn very little. But before we start, it's important to understand something. The amount you earn doesn't always determine your future wealth. It's what you do with that money that matters. Let's say Maria earns $500 a month and John earns $1,500. But Maria sets aside 15% of her salary every month and invests it, while John spends everything on outings, clothes, and gadgets. After 5 years, Maria has built a fund that generates extra income, and John is still living paycheck to paycheck. It doesn't matter if your salary is small. What truly matters is the habit and the strategy. Start by spending less than you earn. Yes, it sounds basic, but it's the cornerstone. Spending less than you earn is the first engine that makes your money grow. If you make $500 and spend $480, you've got $20 left. If you cut expenses and spend $450, now you've got $50 to save or invest. But how do you do it? Spot money leaks, daily coffee, apps you don't use, duplicate subscriptions. Shop with a list. No more wandering around the supermarket to see what's there. Delay impulse purchases. If you want something, wait 72 hours. If after that time you still want it and can afford it without hurting your savings, buy it. This seems small, but multiply it by 12 months, and you'll see it turn into your starting capital for investing. The next step is to create a safety fund. There's no point in investing if any emergency forces you to pull your money out. That's why, before chasing returns, you need an emergency fund that allows you to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses in case you lose your job. If you spend $400 a month, your fund should be between $1,200 and $400. This is your financial parachute. It prevents you from falling into high-interest debt during a crisis. The next task is to make your money work for you. Here's where the magic happens: investing. Even if you start small, the key is to put your money in motion. The good news is you can begin with very little capital. With fractional investments, many platforms let you start with just $1 or $5 in stocks, ETFs, or index funds. Compound interest. Even if you start with $50, reinvesting your earnings makes your money snowball over time. Small online businesses, selling digital products, dropshipping, freelancing, all of these can multiply your capital. If you invest $50 a month with an average annual return of 8%, in 10 years you won't just have $6,000. You'll have nearly $9,000 thanks to compound interest. That extra money is wealth your capital created for you. The next step is to increase the number of income sources. If your salary isn't high, you can grow your money faster by creating multiple streams of income. Some ideas you can try: offer online classes in something you're good at, freelance work like design, writing, editing, or translation, sell things you no longer use, start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast, and monetize it. Another key is to think long-term. We live in a world that demands everything instantly, but growing your money is not a quick trick. It's a process that combines consistency and patience. Think of it as planting a tree. In the first year, you see almost no results. After 5 years, you already have shade. After 10 years, it bears fruit. If you invest consistently, even if it's small amounts, your future self will thank you. In summary, if you want to grow your money, spend less than you earn. Build an emergency fund, invest, even if it's just a little. Create extra income streams, and think long-term. You don't need to be rich to start, but if you start, you can build the future you dream of. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.